Hello! This morning at Toddler and Earlier STEM, we kicked off the autumn sessions with some conkers. We played with conkers and then we made some conker soup, and we had lots of fun playing with water and conkers and a bit of food colouring. We also added a bit of a few acorns to the mix, which was great fun.
Because a lot of parents have to work all year.
Exactly.
Cool. What have you got, Lily? If you like the water.
Yeah. Sure.
What's that? Wow.
Yeah, that's a big spoon. We then got the paints out and started painting with the acorns and conkers on paper, and we made lots of pretty marks with the paint and conkers and acorns, which was great fun.
Use some red. See, try some yellow. Oh, thanks. I think she thinks they're pens.
You need to squeeze them out. Just squeeze by the side. Yeah. Thank you for watching Toddler and Earlier STEM. Please stay tuned for next week's session. Goodbye!